Hi friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to make chocolate chip cookies. It's my favorite recipe. I actually got this recipe from my cooking book, so I hope you like it. Into the bowl you're going to need 1 cup of brown sugar. And you're going to need 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1, 2, 3. And then you're going to need 2/3 of a cup of granulated sugar. So 2/3 of a cup is right here. You can see it that well. 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. So it does ask to use a lot of sugar, but this recipe can make 32 cookies. Sorry friends, I meant to say that this batch will make 36 cookies. So next, we are going to need 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda. I don't have one of these that's labeled 3/4, so what I'm going to do is use this 3 times, and that will equal 3/4 teaspoon baking soda. Put my baking soda here in the bag. I'm going to use 1, 2, 3. It's 3/4 teaspoons. Then I'm going to need 3 cups of all-purpose flour. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to need 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. So I just mixed in my dry ingredients, and now I need to mix this into a stand mixer. If you don't have a stand mixer at home, you can mix this by hand. It will still work. But I want to make sure that this batch is mixed in pretty good so that the baking soda is spread along everywhere in the batch. So I'm going to put this on my stand mixer. Alright friends, so I did put my chocolate chip cookie recipe onto my stand mixer, and then I'm going to mix it. I just want to make sure that everything is incorporated, all the ingredients together, the baking soda. I just want to make sure that everything's mixed in, so I put it in the stand mixer. Alright friends, into the mix, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this next step I'm going to add 2 sticks of butter. It says in the recipe that you have to use room temperature butter, but I just melted mine and it still works. So this butter is salted butter because that's all I have, but when I made this recipe before, I didn't taste a lot of salt in it. So if you're going to use unsalted butter, make sure you add a pinch of salt into the mix. So I'm going to add my salted butter, and it needs to be 2 sticks into the mix. So friends, if you notice, I first made the dry ingredients, and then now I'm adding the wet ingredients, which is the vanilla extract, the butter, and then it will be the eggs. But right now I'm just focusing on mixing all the ingredients thoroughly to make sure everything is mixed in together. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of chocolate chip into the mix. I actually added white chocolate and milk chocolate because I didn't have 2 cups of milk chocolate. But that's okay. It's still going to be a chocolate chocolate chip cookies. So that was 1 cup. Okay, and this is my 2nd cup of chocolate chips. I'm going to mix it, and then I'm going to add the eggs. Okay, and last I'm going to add my 2 eggs. I didn't drop any eggshells in there. And then you're going to see that the consistency of my rest of the cookie dough is going to change. It's going to be more dough once I add this. This is the 2nd egg. And then you'll see that it's going to start to get spread. Alright friends, I just wanted to show you my cookie dough batch. You see that it's starting to look doughy, so that tells me that I'm ready to bake this cookie. I'm just going to bake 5 cookies for now, because if I bake a whole batch, I will eat all the cookies, which is not good for me or my health, and really not that good to eat a lot of cookies, friends. So I'm just gonna bake 5 cookies for now, and then put my cookie dough into the fridge. Next step is for mommy and daddy or mom to do. We're going to put this in the oven at 325 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. Hey friends, this is how my cookies turned out. They smell really delicious. And look, it breaks off. Really good. It's chewy and it's really, really good. So, and it's still warm. It's more softer here in the middle, crunchier at the edge. So I'm glad I cooked these for 17 minutes at 325 degrees. It's good. It's soft and chewy in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna end this video so I can eat all my cookies. Okay friends, if you make this recipe, please let me know. Like I said, I made this from a cookbook. It's from scratch. So when I say that I made something from scratch, it means I didn't use a box or a package to make the cookies, because a lot of cookie dough comes from packages or from a box, but this recipe is made from scratch. So it means ingredients that you already have at home. Alright friends, hope you liked this video and let me know if you made this recipe. Bye!